Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapte and I'm so happy to see you. And today I'm going to talk about 5 reasons your skin might get red, angry. I face this issue quite a lot. This area especially, and it gets red, itchy, very problematic, bumpy. To treat something, you need to know first why that is happening. So I'm going to explore that things in this video, and I'm going to give you like healing solutions. This video is a collaboration with Bioderma. Their products are efficient, well formulated. Bioderma is one of my favorite brands, and I have like so much love for them. So yeah, let's start. So the first thing that can make your skin red is harsh cleansers. So if you're not cleansing your skin with a gentle cleanser, or you're not using the cleansers properly, you're being too harsh with the method, your skin is going to be angry, because mostly we underestimate the power of cleansing. This is the very foundation. If you're doing the cleansing part wrong, nothing would work in your skincare routine. To be very honest, your skin barrier is gonna get damaged day after day, and you will be facing skin issues, and redness is one of them. So yes, use a gentle cleanser. Don't wash your skin with like extremely hot water or extremely cold water. Double cleansing can do very good for your skin. It's a very gentle and effective method to removing all the dirt, pollution, makeup from your skin. And for that, I would recommend Bioderma Sensibio micellar water. This micellar water has this gentlest formula. It is quite effective at its job. It doesn't sting my eyes, and this is pH balanced.
Also, this is super easy to use. You're gonna use this as the first step of your cleansing routine. Take some micellar water on a cleansing pad, then just wipe your skin with it gently. It removes waterproof makeup as well, sunscreen, very gently and effectively.
And the next step would be Bioderma Sensibio cleanser. It has this gel texture. Bioderma has used very gentle surfactants in there, but it creates decent amount of foam, cleanses my skin well without drying it.
So you're gonna use this as the second step of your cleansing routine. For that, you just have to wet your skin, then massage the cleanser on your skin for 60 seconds before rinsing it off.
Both of this micellar water and cleanser can work for all skin types. Even if you have super sensitive skin, these things should work for you. Both of these things are fragrance free, and they make my skin look so fresh. Also, they keep the redness away. And the next thing that can make your skin red can be dehydration. Dehydrated skin can lead to many issues like weak skin barrier, premature fine lines, redness, skin irritation. For that, you need something that can soothe and hydrate your skin. And I really love Bioderma Sensibio Tonique. This toner can hydrate your skin. Also, it has moisturizing properties. It has allantoin, which is very good for soothing the skin. It feels very gentle, very hydrating.
So you can use this toner after your cleansing routine. I prefer to apply this on slightly damp skin. I take a decent amount of this toner and then pat it gently on my skin. This method works the best for me. This formulation is gentle enough for everyday use. You can use this for both day and night.
This toner is pH balanced, and it works really well for dehydrated skin. And to lock the hydration, you can use any good moisturizer, and Bioderma also has quite a good options for that. And the next thing that can make your skin red can be certain food. I have noticed when I eat waffle, my skin gets red. I don't know why it happens. Maybe the excessive amount of sugar, something like that. I don't know why, because I love waffle. So yeah, this is strange. For you, it may vary. Also, very spicy food can give you skin redness. Also, like unhealthy food, if you have like too much unhealthy food, that is not good for your skin. You need to strike a balance there. Also, have lots of water, because like I said before, dehydrated skin is not good. Next thing that can make your skin red is stress. I have experienced it. When I'm really stressed out, my skin starts feeling funny. I get redness, bumps, and yeah, stress hives are a thing. There are people who get rash when they have excessive stress. Actually, stress has this potential of weakening your immune system. When we are stressed, our body releases certain chemicals that can lead to skin inflammation. So yeah, stress can be a major reason for your skin redness. And the last thing would be skincare reaction, and this is a thing I get most of the times, and my skin gets red. And if you are not using a thing like skincare product correctly, your skin can get red, because if you exfoliate too much, if you use harsh physical scrubs. If you keep face packs on your skin for a long time, you let it dry like too much, your skin's gonna get red. When you'd be trying new skincare products, read the instructions, do your own research, don't use harsh formulations, also do not rub or pull your skin too much. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye bye.